This is our place. This is our space. This is our space. Yeah. Yeah. This is Milele Mall, our space. That is how it is. Yeah. Guys, good evening, good night, good afternoon, shalom, shikamo, wagwan, my people. Mama Suji right here in the heka, moving here and there. So kindly welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here in Ngong Town. I want to show you this building of ours here, the mall. I want to show you the mall. That's what I want to show you. And just visiting various supermarkets around. I want to show you what is inside here. Yeah. So we are branching to the Milele Mall. Milele Mall. Yeah, so I've been showing you this mall while I'm just in passing. Today I'm here. So when you come in a vehicle, then you are given a ticket. Missouri. Yes, then you are given a ticket at that point. Then it opens and you go in. You go in like that. So this is our Milele Mall. Let me just yeah, so this is our Milele Mall. I want to walk you around a bit, yeah, so that you can appreciate our mall, how it looks like. So this is our Milele Mall. This is how it looks like. That is how it looks like. That's the market right there. That one there. That one. It's a 4-level market. So one of the days I'll take you there. This is a car wash. This is a car wash here. The car wash is right here. Yeah. So guys, you see how the vehicles are coming? That is that's our Milele Mall. Habari yako? So the things are just like that. Just like that. Yeah, that's our Milele Mall. It has nice flowers, as you can see. You see them? They look nice. The other side is a school. The PCA church, they are the ones who own this mall. They own this mall, and inside this mall we have hospitals, as you can see. We have the hospitals, as you can see. We have hospitals. We have the bank right there. We have the bank right there, Standard Chartered right there. Yeah, so that is how it looks like. There's Ruby's petrol station right there. Jambo. Bari ya wewe, mimi ni YouTuber. Unacheka. So guys, I want to go to this Standard Chartered. You heard the way in my other video, the way they were praised. Yeah, so this is our mall. This is how it looks like, though it's dark today. Habari yenu? So you can see. Maybe I show you before I go to the ATM. Hakuna. Nitakuonyesha. Yeah, so those are clothes being sold there. So if you're going to the hospital, you climb here. So this is our mall. These are shops. These are shops. Yeah. I come and take. Look at you. Yeah. Yes. So hi. You're selling perfumes. You're selling. I karibuya. So guys, this is another place. They're selling nice things. These are perfumes. Yeah. Oh. You refill them yourself? Yeah. You refill yourself? Yeah. Oh. Okay. So they are not full, they're just kidogo. Very little. They're usually full. But if you want, we refill them. First of all, tell us your name. I'm a YouTuber.
My name is Winnie.
Winnie?
Yeah. So usually sell perfumes and jewelries.
Okay.
So yeah.
Wow. These ones are nice. Yeah. Or is the coloring that is cheating me? Wow. Nice. They're nice. The wow. These are what? The scarves. Yeah. The scarves. Yeah. How much do you sell?
800.
800.
Yeah.
And then this one is also a scarf. This one.
It's a headcloth.
Oh, headgear.
Yeah, headgear.
Oh, how much?
Ladies, 600.
Oh, 600.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you have earrings? Clip-on?
Clip-on. Spana, we don't have those.
Oh, you don't have. Okay. Ah. So you are telling me about the perfume. They don't come.
Refill.
You refill. Where's the machine?
No, we use the syringe.
Oh, syringe. Ah.
This.
Oh my God! When I see this, I imagine the doctor
here, and then you refill in this bottle. It depends.
Oh. Yeah. So you mix various.
Yeah, we can mix for you if you want, or if you just want one like that is okay.
So one syringe
per ml. Per ml.
So the syringe is how many mls?
This is 10 ml. But per ml, it's 50 shillings per ml.
50 shillings per ml. Yeah. So this is.
So if this is full, this is 10 ml.
10 ml.
So that is 10 times 50. This is 500.
500. Ah, okay. Ah, and where do you get the big ones from?
From different places.
They're
usually imported. So
oh, imported.
Yeah.
Oh, and you make profit.
Yeah,
after doing this.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. You have many customers?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ah, nice. That is nice.
Yeah. So that's why we have varieties. We have for ladies and also for gents.
Oh, these ones are for gents?
Yeah.
These ones are for ladies?
Yeah.
And these ones?
The same.
Oh, the same?
Yeah.
Men?
Depends with what
ladies.
you want. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That is nice. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I will come. I'll come. Yes, I will.
Right.
I will. Thank you so much.
What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Mama Suji. Mama Suji. Mama, then SUJI. Okay, the 4 letters.
Subscribe.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Right, yeah, I stay in Ngong. Oh. My home is just down here.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's
thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So, if something is burning, God, the popcorns. So this is how things are here. Yeah, there used to be a bank here. I don't know what has happened. They moved out. I think they moved out. Yeah, so these are the businesses. Popcorns being sold there. These ones are here. Yeah. Hakuna shida. Then when you are going to the hospital, we go this way. We go this way. And just a short break. Yeah, after ingia supermarket sasa. Acha niende Naivas. Yeah. So guys, we are now getting out. Those are the businesses there. The children can play there. There is pharmacy right there, and it is big. The supermarket is right there. Yeah. So I'm getting out. But I'm not getting out because I haven't taken my money yet. Yeah, I have to show you where we are. I have to go and show you my ATM where I'm going to get my money. And where I come to the hospital is right here, up here. AR. That one. Yeah. So that is how things are. Yeah. Kwani ile banki ilifunga? Ilifunga? Oh, yeah. So there was a bank here. It has closed. Yeah. So guys, I have to go in and get my money. Yeah. So that is Milele Mall, and here is where I'm coming to. Here, Standard Chartered, the bank I love. Thank you, and feel blessed. Let us go for a short break. So guys, I am through now. I want to get out. Come. Yeah. So I showed you this is our place. This is our space. This is our space. Yeah. Yeah. This is Milele Mall, our space. That is how it is. Yeah. So guys, I'm getting out of the mall right there, as you can see. Yeah. So this is the exit. The other side was entrance. So here is exit. We are exiting. So the cards are picked from here and then it opens. But it's kind of manual. Yeah. So we are leaving. And we leave on this other side and then we connect again with Ngong Road. We are from Milele Mall. You remember that? Total and Rubies right here. So that is how things are. So we are just on just buying things here and there.
Tunaweka kila aina ya simu screen protector. Tuseme kama uko na Huawei, uko na Nokia, uko na Infinix, uko na Samsung.
We are joining the road like that. Yeah. So this is the business again, right there. Yeah. These are the businesses you see around. And this is the Milele Mall where we've just come from. That one there. That one there. Milele Mall right there. So we are on Ngong Road and traffic as usual, you can see. Vehicles coming from the county of Nairobi. Yeah. So yeah, that's how things are. So guys, I wanted to show you that Milele Mall. Today you've had a feel of it and the business thereof. So we are just moving. Yeah. So let us have a short break, guys. So guys, we continue. We are still on the road. There's that business there, that mall called Uptown. And then there's Coney House right there before you get to Zambia Road. But I think there's we have less petrol in this vehicle, so we shall go to where we love fueling from. Yeah. So we just move. We're moving to our petrol station, Lake Oil. So there's Suswa right there. That name comes from Suswa town, the town of Suswa, which is in the county of Narok. That one there. There are a lot of car wash places here. You can see them. Yeah. because of the rains, the vehicles are very dirty. They are very dirty, so they have to be washed. There's some also this other side, the car wash, also this side. And the petrol is now going at how much? 193. Well, at that place, you know where we are going, it's cheaper. And then there's this place here, yeah, Marula Road, right there. And so we continue moving. Yeah, guys. So these are the things you'll see along the road as you move in this town and village of ours. Yeah. So we have many roads. We have one here. Maybe we'll take that route as we come back. So guys, things are like this. Things are like this. This is now Juanco or Vet. So the Juanco petrol station is right there. These are the businesses this other side. And yeah, this is Juanco. And then there's Naiva supermarket right there. Right there. Yeah. So we keep moving. We are going to our favorite petrol station. Our favorite petrol station, Lake Oil. So there's another building right there. It's still under construction. Still, the construction is still in progress, but it has taken years. Yeah, it has taken many years. So this other side we have National Oil right there. National Oil. And then Hakika grocery place right there. And then we have the office. This one, the office bar right there. And then we come to our Lake Oil. Lake Oil here is where we want to fuel from. Yeah. So that we don't run with a container to a petrol station to be rescued once we run out of petrol. And even here, there's car wash, guys. Even here they're washing. At this petrol station, they're also washing. They have a place there. Yeah. This is a fairly new petrol station, but we love it because things are still real. Things are still real here. So, guys, thank you. Now we can fuel here. We shall go for a short break. Oh, the price here is how much? 190. Yeah, before we go for short break, the price here is 190. Yeah, thank you. So guys, we've already fueled and now we are heading back. That side is going to Nairobi. That is the rail line right there. SGR right there. So we are getting to the road. We are going. So I showed you this is an office. This is the office. It's an entertainment joint. Clothes are also being sold next to it. Right there. Yeah. So we are going home. Yeah. So that is how things are. Just touring. Right? This person is not even waiting. What's wrong? Where? That is serious. Yeah. So this is Naivas is right there. It's a shopping center here. This one is on Lepolos Road. One day I'll take you. Our village is big. It's big, and these are our shopping centers. So some things are being sold by the roadside. That's vegetables. They're just selling their boots. the car boots. That's butchery. Very organic meat. Yeah. So this is how things are here, guys. Wow. Yeah. You want to take this route? Okay. So we are taking the hilltop route, and at one point, guys, I've taken you through this, but up to a certain point, not the whole of it. Yeah, up to the Olepolos water offices. Hey, that is our river. Wait. This is serious. This is what the rain did. Wait. Let us have this. Wow, guys, this is how the rains have performed. Yeah, you can see. And this other side, this is Ngong River, guys, and it has brought a lot of rubbish from uphill, so it busted its ground. And we thank God, because this was made very, very well. The place, let me just get out and let me just get out and have a look at this. Yeah. So guys, this is a Ngong River, and this is the damage it has caused. Wow. Hi people. Hi. Yeah. So there was a house or a wall. There was a house right there. It fell down. It went down, guys. You can see. Yeah, up to there. Yeah, it was, I think it was a flat coming up. It was raised to the ground. This is Ngong River. Yeah, this is Ngong River that is going to connect with the Nairobi River at Dam Estate. And so somebody's house just went down like that. You can see. Wow, this is serious. Huh? So we just branched that place there. That is Ngong Road, where the vehicles are moving from. Yeah, that one. That is Ngong Road, that goes all the way to Nairobi and connects at Haile Selassie Uhuru Highway roundabout. And this is what has happened, guys. This is serious. Very, very serious. As you can see. Hey. The water was too much. And even for that wall there, you can see there are stills outside. And so the people who are staying here, even the barrier fell. This is the damage. This is what the water did. It's moving so fast. It hasn't rained yet. This is the rain that fell last night, and what has been falling throughout the week. And so this is crazy. It's crazy, guys. Yeah. So this is the damage that has happened. That wall went down the other side, and you can see the river is carrying all the rubbish from Zambia Road. You saw it, but now this side is horrible. It's horrible. Look at that gate. How do they even go in? This is serious. It's serious. Yeah. So you can see people trying to navigate. People trying to navigate to their homes. Wow. This is serious. Wow. You can easily, your property can easily just go like that. You see? A lot of rubbish. See all that. This is somebody's plot, Matthew. This one. Somebody's plot. And now it's like part of River Ngong. Yeah. Yeah. And this road was done well. Because I remember in the past we could wait and wait for the water to subside. But once the road was done, we started having a problem on the Zambia road, the other side. But that again was resolved, and nowadays we are okay. But the water, the rain was too much, to the point that that house is down. So it's not good to build near the river or try to block the river. You see, even with a steel, it had steels there, but this side went down. I think this side didn't have steel. This side didn't have steel, so it's even the ones with even the steels down there, it's down. Wow, this is disaster. That's money wasted, just like that. It's money wasted, just like that, guys. So, hey, and you can see the buildings. This is Hilltop Road. This is Hilltop Road. Yeah, this is Hilltop Road. Very, very, very serious. What? See? Where? Even the rocks were washed. These ones. The napier grass are down. Where? See this side. Somebody's plot. Suppose this person had already built, what could have happened? The house would be down, or the flat would be down. Wow. This is very, 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 very serious. And I think he had already started. Oh, it's the wall that fell right there. The wall fell right there. And now the steel are naked. That wall fell because the water came all the way up to there. Wow. This is serious. This is serious, guys. Serious, guys. And even the house under construction, you see, it's cracked because of heavy rains. Heavy rains. This road is Hilltop. It's called Hilltop. No, it's called Penny Road. This is Penny Road. It joins Hilltop Road at a certain point. You will see. Wow. So, this is the damage that has happened to that house. The water came, and then they start flat there, but places doesn't look good. So that is what I've shown you guys. It is a serious affair. Never joke with the rain, and never joke with water, and never build on river's way, the river's way. Never try to block the river. So guys, let's continue. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah. Well, I'm shocked. Even I thought it was that still. Oh, that is so serious. Hey, those finances and the way it's so hard to get money in this economy. Even this wall, see. Wow. That wall just drank water, but it's still standing. And then this one. Yeah. Wait. Even that one. So we are on. Then that. So what? It's hilly. The road is hilly. So Hilltop lane 1, lane 2. for the water on that flat. These flats here also look beautiful. Yeah, those flats there. Maybe I just lines are hanging. So those are, it's called what? The hills. It's called the hills. Showed you Olepolos. I showed you Olepolos offices where we get our water. These boosters, last time I showed you this. And then the offices, Olepolos water office right here. So now you know. And I think all these areas we had covered last time. And I think now we can close the vlog. Can close the vlog. Yeah, because I think I've taken you round. I've taken you round the mall. I've taken you. You've seen the disaster on the Ngong River, and now we are on Hilltop. After the Penny Lane, we are now on Hilltop. And you remember that flat there, that one there, that flat there. We went up to down there, and then we met the 87-year-old with wisdom, 87-year-old with wisdom along this lane. So you remember, maybe we closed when we joined the Zambia Road. So you can still remember this. So you know my roots. You know Mama Suji's roots. Yeah, the roots that I take. So it's like it has rained. What? What's happening? That one is doing some exercises. People are jogging. Yeah, people are jogging. And then the church is right there. That's the church. She's at the gate, as usual. Yeah. So we are here. We are there, moving like that, and we are through with the Hilltop Road. Now we join the Zambia Road. The Zambia Road. We join the Zambia Road. And so let us now close this vlog at this point. Have a blessed evening, a blessed night, a blessed morning, and just be blessed as always. From your mama here, Mama Suji. Bye.